أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
قالوا يا شعيب ما نفقه كثيرا مما تقول وإنا لنراك فينا ضعيفا ولولا رهتك لرجمناك وما أنت علينا بعزيز.
They said, O Shu'aib, we do not understand much of what you say, and we see that you are weak among us. Were it not for your tribe, we would have stoned you. You are of no value to us.